Today, as I prepare for work, I have put some sponge rollers in the top of my hair, and just the top, because I wanted to see what look I could achieve by just having the sponge rollers at the top and not throughout my hair. Also, I want you to know that today I am wearing, I guess I could say, some bolder jewelry. And I think that's going to be the theme of my video this week, of what I'm wearing to work. My theme is going to be some bolder jewelry. I don't usually wear these jewelry. As a matter of fact, some of the jewelry that you see this week will be featured on my Poshmark, which is Jean G59. And they'll be for sale, because I don't really wear them. Now this one, this necklace that I'm wearing is actually a necklace and a bracelet. I'm keeping this one because of, I guess, sentimental value. My god sister made this for me some years ago. I wanted you to see that this is actually a necklace and a bracelet, and I've put it together since I probably would not wear the bracelet. If I ever want to, I still can, because the necklace then would be shorter, so I could wear it. I'm going to go ahead now and style my hair. So I'm getting ready for work, and I'll be going into the next room. Put that back on. And that's my hair for today. And just keep watching this video for my outfit of the day. Keep watching.